Hi, welcome to this machine. It's the ArcoLinux ISO 19.11 already, so we're building the next generation. And there was a topic online on the forum about Skype, and I was wondering if we actually have something already. Maybe you haven't heard about it, and maybe you're new to ArcoLinux. And we do have lots of scripts, and one of the scripts is, we call it ArcoLinux Nemesis. This is my personal script, what I use after installation of any clean ArcoLinux. Doesn't matter what desktop it is. I mean, it's 15 desktops, so I'll always run all these guys here. And so you can reuse that. Don't just run it, read it, and decide if you want to have that as well. So one of the things that in here is the AOR. So when I figure something out, how to install stuff, like this one is a particularly difficult one, or codes and stuff like that, I might make a script for it. If it's a difficult one, of course. If it's just yay and then install it, that's okay, right? But I see here there's install skypeforlinux-stable-bin. So the question was about Skype, and there seems to be an issue with Skype, and we have different possibilities. So first off, it's not on ArcoLinux. So those are the ArcoLinux repos. It would be great if it would be there, but you know, Skype is Microsoft. So Skype for Linux, some of us still are using or are used to or need to use it because other recipients then use Microsoft and so on. So they need to have this Skype thing. So we have number 5 here, or the preview binary, which means it's a little bit further down the road. So it's a preview inside the version. I think this one is going to install the stable bin. What you do is open it up. I'll just check if there's anything difficult in here. So nothing really difficult, just a name. So basically this folder is just well, to install some stuff that I like and have, so I can run this thing. I can run these scripts, and the scripts, this one is started then. So the package is called skypeforlinux-stable-bin. Is that correct? If you do a typo, it won't work. So skypeforlinux-stable-bin, right? So either I just say number 5 in this case, or just run this one, because this is just going over yay. If yay is there, then run it. If Trizen is there, then run it. If Yaourt is there, which is that, by the way, Packer. So it's just going to run yay in our case. But sometimes we need to add more stuff. So elements that we need to run or activate, systemctl things, enable it, etc., etc. So in this case, nothing important. We don't have to save this, and we just can run it via yay. Or if you would like it to install it like this, that's possible too. So just confirming if this installation, this Skype stable bin, is still working these days. And then you have a video to see how everything is installed and if everything is working. That's just great. We always say Debian, you see it here? We always say that AOR is coming from all kinds of sources. So basically this is coming from a particular place. If you want to know, you go to Eric, you go to, well, your home directory, bin, sorry, not bin, cache, yay, lots of things I've installed over the past. So Control A, that's the one we need. All the rest can go. So if you want to know where it's coming from, like in this video, then we see it's coming from the repo from Skype, Debian pool main, and then we get the package name and so on. So it's actually coming not from something somewhere, I don't know where, but just from the repo from Skype itself. Okay, in the meantime, let's have a look. No errors, everything updated, everything seems good. There is something here that says my line. Remember the strange text I've typed, so I suppose it's saved. So we better clean it up. So AOR Skype Skype for Linux stable bin. I guess that's not a command. I guess not. Linux doesn't know the command, so that's okay. We had some fun. It's Friday night. Skype, internet, telephony. Well, anyway, Skype. So let's go sign in or create, and there you go. Everything is gonna work. Quit, etc. View the tools, settings, help, and there you go, guys. Skype is just working on ArcoLinux/ArcoLinux. Enjoy.